Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, Public Services Librarian here at Union University. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to find an article from a database. During the course of your time at Union, you might be required to find articles from a library database for a research project. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find and access an article in a database. Let's start at the library's homepage at uu.edu/library. Click on the Databases, eBooks, and Media link from the library's homepage. This is a list of all the databases that is provided by the library. For this tutorial, we are going to search in Academic Search Complete. This is a general database that contains information relating to a broad range of disciplines. Scroll down to Academic Search Complete and click on it. If you are off campus, you may be required to log in, so use your Union credentials. Once you're in the database, you will see 3 search bars in which to type your search terms or keywords. For this assignment, we're going to find an article on the use of screen time and the effects it has on anxiety. Typing the whole question into the search bar is not helpful. The research question needs to be broken down into keywords. One thing to remember about researching is that your search terms define your results. What you enter into the search bars will determine what you retrieve. So it is important to choose your search terms carefully. The keywords for this search will be anxiety and screen time. The list of results will come up after hitting the search button. If the number of results is too big, you will have to narrow down those results by either adding an additional search term or by using limiters. For this search, we'll be narrowing down the results by using limiters. First, click Full Text. This takes away everything that is not available in full text. You have the option to see articles from scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. These articles often include research and are much more detailed and lengthier than articles from newspapers or magazines. There is a date bar to use if you are needing to find articles published within a certain date range. Just click the scroll bar and move it to the year you need. When you move the scroll bar, the results will be updated. Below the date bar is the Source Type section. This shows you the number of results that are academic journals, magazine articles, newspaper articles, or other source types. For this search, we'll just be looking at magazine articles. To determine if an article is appropriate to use, click on the title of the article. Read the abstract or summary of the article that is usually provided. The information that you will need to cite this article will be located in the source line. This line features the title of the journal in which the article was published, the volume and issue numbers, the date, and the page numbers. To access the article, click on the PDF full text link on the left side of the page. This should take you to the article where you can print it off or download it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact a librarian for additional help.